This is the series of videos of presentations, reviews and unboxings of the gear I am using. So join me and you will learn how to pick up the gear that will suit your expectations. Before I start telling you more about this product, I want to clarify that I wasn't paid for making a review or test by anybody about this product, and this is product bought by me, owned by me, and this is just sharing my personal experience. Hello friends, today I want to show you my additional fill-up light for video recording. It is produced by company Neewer and I ordered it through Amazon Deutschland. It is called NEEVER Premium LED Bulbs LED Fill Light for photo and video with 176 pieces of LEDs. What I wanted by buying this light was to have a fill light, additional light for videos I am creating. My expectations were that it should be strong enough to light myself, strong enough to light any objects in a closer or medium distance, and it should have option to be powered also by batteries as well as from AC. This light came really nice packed. I was surprised that for this price it was really nice packaging, and you wouldn't expect that for that kind of money. I bought it for 20 euros, which is 22 US dollars approximately, and currently this model is PT-176S. I was aiming to get a light with a mount on camera either or on my Scorpion's stabilizing grip, and this light had very good reviews, so I jumped to it and I don't regret it. The output power for this light is 11 volts. Luminous flux is 1320 lm lumix. LED quantity, as the name says, is 176 pieces. The color temperature can be adjusted from 3200 kelvins up to 5600 kelvins. The light source of this light are 45 degrees ultra bright LEDs. What's nice about this LED light is that it can be dimmable from 10% to 100%. The manufacturer says that the lifetime is 50,000 hours. The light runs either on a DC power input of 6.5 volts up to 17 volts. You can use also to power this light with lithium battery types, common used NP-F 550s, 750s or 970s. What I am using for powering this light is a battery pack from Tikka, which I will reviewing in the next unboxing and testing video. It is a 2-pack NP-F 550 batteries, and it also came with USB battery charger kit. What you find inside of the package of LED 176 is the light itself, the cold shoe mount, which is adjustable, and orange gel filter for more warmer colors in your video. What I really love about this light, that is super light, especially with these NP-F550 batteries. I experienced that it can light up to half an hour on one battery, sometimes 45 minutes, but don't expect to light it much from these numbers because it drains the battery really well. I am preferably using this light only with DC adapter because sometimes when the battery is drained after those 30 to 45 minutes of recording, you cannot tell on which kind of level the light is shining because there is no battery indicator on the back. After using this light, I can say that it is a very good value for the money. Surprisingly, the company Neewer is producing really nice products, which are not high-end products, but if you are looking for budget lighting, budget equipment for your video or photography, you won't go wrong with NEEVER. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and also make sure to watch the next video in which I will tell you about the batteries I was referring with this light. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Ciao.